Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects millions of people worldwide, gut health, and we'll explore how the ketogenic diet can play a crucial role in optimizing your gut health for better overall well-being. Let us first review the fundamentals before going any further. Trillions of bacteria, referred to as the gut microbiome, reside in your stomach. Immune system performance, mood modulation, and digestion are all significantly impacted by this microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome consists of a diverse array of beneficial bacteria, which help break down food, absorb nutrients, and keep harmful pathogens in check. But here's the kicker. Many factors, including diet, lifestyle, and stress, can throw this delicate balance off track, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and a weakened immune system. This is where the ketogenic diet comes into play. The ketogenic diet emphasizes the consumption of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. These fats serve as the primary source of energy for the body when carbohydrates are restricted. Contrary to common misconceptions, dietary fats are not inherently harmful. In fact, they play crucial roles in hormone regulation, cell membrane structure, and nutrient absorption. While protein intake is essential for muscle repair, hormone production, and enzyme function, excessive protein consumption can disrupt ketosis, the metabolic state where the body burns fat for fuel. Therefore, the ketogenic diet advocates for moderate protein intake to maintain ketosis while still meeting essential nutrient needs. Quality protein sources include poultry, eggs, grass-fed beef, and plant-based options like tofu and tempeh. Carbohydrates are restricted on the ketogenic diet to induce ketosis and shift the body's primary fuel source from glucose to ketones. By limiting carbohydrate intake to around 20-50 grams per day, the body depletes its glycogen stores and begins breaking down fats into ketones for energy. This metabolic shift offers a myriad of health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, stabilized blood sugar levels, and enhanced fat burning. Now, let's explore the health benefits associated with the ketogenic diet. Weight loss. The ketogenic diet can help with weight loss by increasing fullness and decreasing cravings. Furthermore, ketosis's metabolic benefits boost fat burning, making it a useful method for losing extra body fat, especially visceral fat, which builds up around organs and poses a number of health hazards. Improved energy levels. Many individuals report experiencing sustained energy levels and reduced energy crashes on the ketogenic diet. This is attributed to the stable blood sugar levels and steady supply of ketones, which provide a consistent source of fuel for both the body and brain. Mental clarity. Ketones have neuroprotective qualities in addition to being an effective energy source. The ketogenic diet is especially interesting to people who want to improve their brain health and cognitive performance because some research suggests that ketones may boost focus, mental clarity, and cognitive function. Improved metabolic health. Research has demonstrated that the ketogenic diet enhances lipid profiles, insulin sensitivity, and blood sugar regulation, among other indicators of metabolic health. Following a ketogenic diet under medical supervision may be very beneficial for controlling illnesses like polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. Overall, the ketogenic diet is not merely a fad diet, but a scientifically backed approach to nutrition that offers a wide range of health benefits beyond weight loss. However, it's essential to approach any dietary change with mindfulness, balance, and individualization, consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure it aligns with your specific health goals and needs. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. But did you know that the ketogenic diet can also positively impact your gut health? Let's break it down into 3 key ways. 1. Reducing inflammation. The ketogenic diet is inherently anti-inflammatory, primarily due to its emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods and the reduction of inflammatory sugar and processed carbohydrates. The ketogenic diet suppresses the growth of dangerous germs and fosters the growth of healthy bacteria by reducing inflammation in the gut. 2. Promoting gut microbiome diversity. Research suggests that the ketogenic diet can increase the diversity of gut bacteria, which is associated with better digestive health and overall well-being. Including a variety of keto-friendly foods such as leafy greens, Non-starchy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats can provide a rich array of nutrients that support a robust gut microbiome. 3. Balancing gut hormones. The ketogenic diet helps regulate hormones involved in gut health, such as insulin and leptin, leading to improved digestion and better appetite control. Bloating, gas, and other digestive symptoms can be lessened by the ketogenic diet by lowering insulin resistance and regulating blood sugar levels. Remember, while the ketogenic diet can offer significant benefits for gut health, it's essential to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Incorporating fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt can further enhance the gut microbiome's diversity and function. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the fascinating connection between gut health and the ketogenic diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on optimizing your health and well-being.